Okay, got a package open up for eBay. Junk here, so got too many panheads on my workbench here to give me enough room to work, but let's see how this works. Oh, losing money. Alright, let's see what's in here. This came in yesterday, so let's see what we got. Today's trash night, so we gotta make room. Looks like another head. I know what that is. Let's see what this is. I'm pretty much sure it's another panhead. In case you can't tell, there's a couple panheads right next to them already. Oh, damn, it's a panhead. I'm shocked. Nasty one, too. Alright, an early one. Let's see, I was looking for a late 48. I haven't found one yet. This looks like a 50. Yeah, that's kind of a 50. Really hard to read when they're that nasty looking. They're not supposed to look that bad. There's the other head that was real bad looking too. It's supposed to be. It's like that where you can read them. This another one is really nasty looking. Bad forgings for that, or bad castings at that time of the year they were doing them. So obviously the same run. This one has, looks like a 2 or 3 on that, probably a 3, and that's probably the same damn thing right there. It's his brother. Looks almost the same, except this one has an exhaust spigot on this one. That one's missing one. Alright, well there you go. What about another 50 head? The plummer rivet's still in it. Rivet's gone though. So we don't like it too much when the rivets are gone. So when the rivets are still in there like that. Why is it like that? I like it when you have the rivets still in there like that, because you can't duplicate that. When you got a hole like that, you're screwed. And when you weld them all on like that, you're screwed more. This is a screw-in style one. You're screwed again. And then they welded it. So this one, they still got the plummer fitting in it. So you'd have to take it out, put a rivet in there, and hold that. A lot of work. Alright, it's just a 50 casting. It could be used all the way through 54. Like a nice exhaust spigot on it. That's probably why I bought it. Yeah, sure, I buy everything. Yeah, like I care about exhaust spigots. It's not cracked yet. I think I can see a crack right there, but we'll find out. I'll go blast this. I just got done doing a bunch of blasting. We'll throw one more in the pile. Alright, well that's a 50 head. It's a pot. Still got the nipple in it, but the rivet's gone. So I don't know why they took the rivet out. It's obviously been drilled in there to be in and out, so they were doing something in there. So it's pretty dirty looking. Got a couple of relatively fresh broken fins. Obviously something was eating pretty heavily right here, and that's what broke the fins off. So it's supposed to look like this. So when you abuse your parts, they look like that. Alright, we're going to go blast this thing, because I'm already here. I just got done blasting some stuff. That case is 1 or 2 panheads. Maybe 1 or 2. I got a walkway though, kind of. If I get rid of all the flatheads, I really have a walk room. Alright, so here's our blaster. It's hot in here. I'm going to go ahead and blast this thing. A bunch of glass beads come out of that gun right there and cleans the surface off. So this is the before. Looks like someone's in there buffing, trying to be fancy. Alright, we're going to go and make some noise and do some blasting. We will be back.